Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and having very good days at home. In our previous video we studied letter D and the sound of letter D is D. That is the fourth letter. In our today's video we are going to study letter E and the sound of letter E is A and it is the fifth letter. So let's have a look at letter E. First we start from our book, My Book of Letters and Sounds. So this is letter E. Say the sound and trace the letter. This is capital or uppercase E and this is small or lowercase e. So let's have a look at the formation of capital A. How to trace capital E. How to trace capital E. And the sound of letter E is A. We start from this arrow and we'll go straight to the bottom of the page and we'll draw a straight line from the top of the page out to the side. We draw a straight line out to the side. Then we'll draw a straight line from the middle of the page to the side. Then we'll draw a straight line out to the bottom. So this is the formation of capital E. Let's have a look at small e. We start from this arrow and draw a curved line to the bottom or middle of the page. So this is capital E and its sound is A. Let's have a look at its vocabulary. A egg, a egg, a elephant, a elephant, a envelope, a envelope, a engine, a engine, a elbow, a elbow, a eggplant, a eggplant. So these are some vocabulary words. Circle letter E from the given words. So here is letter E, we will circle it. Nut. Here is letter E, we will circle it. Cake. There is letter E, we will circle it and it is pet. So we will circle pet and it is set. So we will circle E. Now look at these pictures and identify the objects that starts with letter E. So this is eggplant, we will circle it, and this is engine, and this is elephant, and this is egg, and this is envelope, and this is E. That sound is A. Let's move to the next book. My activity book of letters and sounds. Identify and circle the objects starting with letter E. So here is egg. So we circle letter egg. Here is elephant that starts with E and that sound is A. So circle A. Let's have a look at its formation. We start from this arrow and then draw a curve to the middle of the page. Identify and color the objects starting with letter E. Now identify which object starts with E. This one, very good, and this one. So we will color them and tick them. We will color them with different colors and how to form or how to write capital E. We start from this arrow and go straight down to the bottom and we'll draw a straight line from the top to the side and then we'll draw a straight line to the middle and we'll draw a straight line to the bottom. So this is capital E. Now let's have a look. Identify and tick the box of the objects starting with letter E. So identify this is elbow and this is eggplant. So identify them and tick them. So students, let's have a look at some more vocabulary words that starts with E. So here is elephant. It is E sound word. Here is elf. So it starts with E. Elbow. It starts with E. Enter. And when we enter, it starts with E. Envelope. It starts with E. And here is egg. It starts with E. Capital E and its small e and its sound is A. A elephant, a eraser, a engine, a earth, a egg. So these are E vocabulary words. Now students, let's have a look at this Children Learn Flap and identify where is E. So here is E. This is letter E. Let's again have a look at the animals and identify the name of the animal that starts with E. So this is elephant and it starts with letter E. Now draw and practice on sand. So here we are going to draw letter E on sand. So this way, drawing a straight line from top to the bottom of the page and drawing a straight line to the side from the top, drawing a straight line from the middle and drawing a straight line from the bottom. So here we draw letter E. And for small e, we start from here and draw a curved line like this. So this is letter E. That sound is A. So this was our today's topic. Keep on practicing and keep on learning. Take care. Allah Hafiz.